How to connect your PS4 controller to your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect your PS4 controller to your laptop. So, connecting a PS4 controller to a laptop is really easy. All you have to do is simply, first of all, go over here and then turn on Bluetooth. Now tap on this arrow right over here to manage Bluetooth devices. Now it will show the list of all of the different Bluetooth devices that you have paired in the past and that are not paired. So now once Bluetooth is turned on, what you'll have to do is simply take your controller and then press two buttons simultaneously. Those are the PS button and the share button. Simply long press on both of the button until a blue light starts blinking. So as you can see, the light is currently blinking. So simply set aside your controller and then you can see that wireless controller is showing up in the Bluetooth. So simply tap on it, and then once the light turns from a blinking blue to a solid blue, now you really can't see it due to all of the lighting I have. So as you can see, you can see some glimpse of light right over here. So once this is not blinking and it is a solid blue color, you have successfully connected this controller to a laptop. So that is basically how you connect a controller to your laptop. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.